Rayvo. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm excited because I will be collabing with Copper Slim Pants. If you know me and you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm like super into working out, fitness, all that, healthy eats, all of that. So I'm excited to be collabing with Copper Slim Pants. I will have all the information linked in the description box below, all the information that you need to know, the pants and how they use technology to make sure that you are getting the best out of your workouts, and not only getting the best out of your workouts, but also looking stylish while doing it. I'm gonna be actually trying on the Copper Slim Pants for you guys. I wanted to unbox it because it came in such a cute box that I just could not resist showing you guys. So, one sec, let me get the box. Voila. So this is the box that it came in. There's the logo right there. Super duper 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 cute. And it has a gold bow on it, and it's like a black box. I just thought that this was so cute and so sleek, and I wanted to open it up with you guys on camera. So I haven't even seen the product. I mean, I've seen the product, but I haven't seen it coming out of the box yet. I want to come on here and unbox it with you guys. So, wow, Raven. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it. It's so cute. I really don't want to unbox it. All right, and let's go ahead and take this. Voila. So then it comes with this nice little polka dot paper, so cute, and the logo's on there too. Oh my god, this boxing is so cute. The packaging, I mean. And then it has the details of the pants. Oh wow, that's so cute. Sorry, that was loud. So then it comes in this nice little bag, and I got a size small, so that's S for small. And then it comes in a bag like so. And then it says, every day is a choice. Enjoy being in shape. I love this. You guys, this packaging is literally everything. So cute. And then it has a Ziploc. So it's easy to open, because I know sometimes when you get packages, you have to like rip them apart. So it's an easy just slide and open. And then you have, oh wow, this is a nice material. I wish you guys could feel this. Well, you will be able to feel it when you buy yours. But the material is like everything, and I love stretching this. I know this is gonna hug my body real nice. In the inside, you can see details, everything that you need to know. Then it has a tag here, and it gives you all the details. The Instagram, I mean, ooh, I'm lying. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, yeah, it has like the Instagram logo, Facebook, the website, and then it has copper infused, anti-odor, absorbs moisture, everyday comfort, targets compression, contouring fit. So it actually is made to like fit your body real nice, so that you have that contour look even when you're still working on your body. So here are the pants, and they have mesh on the sides. Let me get in here so I can show you guys. It's mesh right here, as you guys can see. So that's breathable material. I really like them. So let me go and put these on, and then I can show you guys how they fit on me. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I have on the pants, and they fit amazing. And I'm really not just saying this. Like, this material is so good, like so good. And it fits really nice. As you can see, it does contour. I'm not really a hippie girl, nor do I have like curves or anything, but I feel like this gives me like a nice like slim fit shape. This is it from the side. If you guys can see that, it's it from the side. I'm gonna do more close-up shots as well from the other side. This is them from the back, so it really does give you a nice swimming thing, and it's very stretchy. So you guys can see, you can stretch it out. You know, very breathable material. Kick forward. So it's very nice. I mean, they feel amazing. Like so subtle. Like, I like it. Like, I really feel like I could wear these out and not just to work out in. Like, I would throw on a nice little shirt or just go like this, honestly. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is so, I love them so much. So, once again, I'm gonna give you guys a 360, 360. All right. Okay, so here's a little bit closer so you guys can see. And it has a little logo here as well. The side, front, very stretchy. Now that I've shown you the copper slim pants, I also want to introduce you guys to another product that they also sent me when they sent the copper slim pants. So this is a product that they're in collab with, which I guess makes me in collab with, that they sent that will help the productivity of your workout and also just making sure that you're targeting those areas that you need help with. So